Hey guys, so we have a Maserati Spyder in here for a radio install. So we actually did this car a few years ago and we made a custom kit for this ILX 207. The radio got damaged at the dealership. I don't know what they did or something, but they damaged the radio and they don't make the ILX 207 anymore. You can get it online, but it's an older radio. So what we did is we put a ILX 507, so much better radio, has wireless Apple CarPlay, HD radio, the new GUI, just much easier to use, better graphics. So it has the voltage meter, all the adjustments. It's just a better unit all the way around, plus it's brand new, so you're able to do wireless Apple CarPlay. Now the thing with this vehicle is there's actually no depth behind the radio. The radio in this car is technically a screen, and the chassis lives in here under the armrest. So what we've done is we disassemble the radio, and then we create this custom ribbon that in essence extends the plug from here all the way to the back of the screen. So now we're able to mount the chassis where the original radio is, but we have a totally new interface. It's custom, it's very time consuming and difficult to do, but it does give you the ability to do a radio in a car like this. Otherwise you have no way to put a radio in this car other than to stick with the stock radio. The nice thing about this is it's got magnets embedded in it. So all it is you hear it click in. So it's nice because it trims it out, makes it look like it came with the vehicle.